Okay, guys, now we are back with a part 5 of the video. So basically we had to rearrange some of the cables.
The wires were twisted right at the plug. I don't want them twisted, so we're trying to get them out of the way where they're not going to get all tangled up and rubbed and squished and pinched like this one got pinched.
Correct.
So you got to have this stuff out of the way when you go to set the mirror in.
So basically we're adjusting systems.
No, we're just getting the excess out of the way.
Yes, they kind of gave us a little too much, a little bit
They don't
wire.
give you too much. It's just a matter of where it's placed, and you got to make sure the stuff don't get rubbed on.
Correct. And it happens oftenly in semis. Because
It happens on anything that wiggles and jiggles.
Correct. Well, in general, trucks in general, or cars in general. But I'll do more videos like this with my father's help.
Now.
So that all you gotta do is take the thing apart, take the back side off, and we'll show you how to put it back together, and we'll show you how to take off the back cover.
Okay, hand me that other mirror.
So the mirror just slides
You got the
down.
other mirror?
Yes, I have it in my lap.
Well, hand it here.
So
Sunshine.
basically, we're gonna hook up the other mirror.
The two prongs.
Okay, so he's gonna show you about the prongs.
All right, we gotta have red.
Sorry, we have mosquitoes right now trying to eat us.
Don't worry.
Hey.
A couple more weeks, you'll have plenty enough cold to not even worry about them.
Yes, and it'll be cold as heck for my recordings. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to hook up the system for the big mirror.
All right, so gotta make sure you got enough to reach up to the top on both.
So basically, he's going to show you. Wait for it to focus, Dad. Wait a sec.
I gotta get my hand right.
Okay.
Same as the bottom one.
Okay.
It's to the outside of the vehicle was how the red was connected on these.
So the red is to the outside, like pointing to the out of the vehicle, away from the vehicle. And the black points to the inner part of the vehicle.
Because we're looking at this backwards.
Correct. So you guys are going to be looking at the video from reverse of us.
So I don't care how they're looking at it, but that's how.
So it's going to go
hooked
to the
up.
outside.
It depends
the red,
how many times somebody's had it apart.
So red goes to the outside because that runs the heat and the motor.
No, red. This is for the heat, for the glass.
Red heats the glass, and black is your ground. Okay, so now he's gonna.
Let me do. I need to
right.
make sure there ain't nobody getting squashed back here.
So he's gonna show you how to put this mirror on, and I'm guessing it's the same way as the other one, correct?
Yeah, it's the same as the other one. Why wouldn't it?
So you just pick it up and slide it
Do I
on.
want to run that over to the other side to try to change?
I would
Wait,
say
is it
that might
gonna
work.
rub? All right, I'm running the wires to the outside edge, coming around the top. Gotta make sure there ain't nothing in the slots. These slots, remember the slots just like the bottom. Do you see the slots?
Correct. Those are how
Those
they lock
slots
in.
is how you're gonna latch it.
There's little fingers, plastic